How to change WhatsApp wallpaper green color to blue on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change WhatsApp's green color to blue on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. For that, you can open up your App Store, simply head over to the search bar, search for WhatsApp, and then open WhatsApp up. Now, if you see an update button like this, tap on update and update your WhatsApp. After you do that, you can open up your WhatsApp. And after you open up your WhatsApp, you will simply need to head over to your settings. Now, let me type in my password here. And after you've done that, tap on the bottom right corner and head over to your settings. On your settings, head over to chats. And on your chats, head over to chat backup. My bad, it's not chat backup. On the top, you will find an option called chat wallpaper. Head over to chat wallpaper and then you will see choose a wallpaper, tap on that, and from here you will be able to choose the blue color, and it's that simple. Now you can also use the pictures on your my photos, so you can select anything on your blue theme on your iPhone and then that will work. And that is how you can change WhatsApp green color to blue on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.